Members of a Muslim community in Vaughan have gathered to pray for the victims of a mosque attack in Burkina Faso. The vigil was held in the Baitul Islam Mosque. Members of the Ahmadi Muslim community mourned the loss of 9 worshippers. They were gathering in a northern town in Burkina Faso for the evening prayers when they were killed last week. Vaughan Mayor Stephen Del Duca and community leaders attended the prayer vigil.
It's heartbreaking as we're seeing people all around me coming for their prayers. You know, these innocent people were gathered at the mosque with women and children there to offer their prayers, and they were brutally murdered in a terrorist attack for their faith, for what they believe in, for what they wanted to profess as their truth.
I think the overwhelming message, as I mentioned a moment ago, is that ability to be able to worship in peace and be secure and safe with your family. Worshiping as you see fit is something that we hold so dear here in Canada. And we also sadly see a rise in hate, discrimination, intolerance, Islamophobia, anti-Semitism, and so much more. We still have our work cut out for us. We are blessed to live in a city here like Vaughan, where we do support one another. That is why I wanted to be here today, and I will always stand with the Ahmadi Muslim community to make sure that they know they have a friend at City Hall, as they mourn for the tragic thing that occurred in Burkina Faso not that long ago.
Last week, the United Nations condemned the attack, saying targeting individuals or groups based on their religion or beliefs is an affront to the Charter of the United Nations. It's